Uh, Hi all. Actually, before before few weeks, actually, I attended a face-to-face interview in Capgemini for the QA automation role. So there are some interesting questions they asked me. Okay, so that I would like to share with you, so that you will also get some exposure to that. So that's all. So here what happened is like in the interview directly they had it's a face to face in Capgemini. So what happened is like in the round number one, so they give each machine, each laptop, and they had given a Java compiler, and they had given two Java programs. Okay, so this is the first round. Okay, it's a coding round. So I got two questions. Not only me, all the around some 130 to 150 members, all for all of them there are only two questions they asked. So the first coding question is they had given a string, a normal string, and they asked me to split the alphabets, numbers, and the special characters in the string. I think this is a normal code that what I will tell. It is of a normal fresher to intermediate level. That's fine. Second question, it was really interesting, and also it gave me a tougher time in the interview. Okay, uh, yeah. So what the question is like, they had given me a very big sentence. In that sentence, I need to find out the word which is having the highest length. I need to find the biggest word. That biggest word need to be printed. Next, the biggest word need to be reversed. That also to be printed. And the reversed word need to be appended or it to be added in the place from where we removed it, or from the place or the word to be replaced with the biggest word. So that what. Okay. Anyway, I will show you practically, right? Give me a second. I think my Eclipse is a bit slow. Okay, let it load. Meanwhile, I will show it in the notepad. Like what is the question I got? Okay, so it's simple. So there is a I am interested to find defects. Okay, so this is a sentence. Okay, here the largest word is interested. Okay, now this word to be reversed. D T E R E T N. Okay, like this it will be reversed, and then the we need to get the entire sentence like this. So the largest word need to be finded out. It will be printed in the console. Then it will be reversed. That also to be printed, and this reversed word to be appended in the original position, and it will be written. So this is for the question actually. Okay, unfortunately, let me close it and start it again. So I think since I have my Java Selenium framework as well as the REST assured framework um, in the same Eclipse, so it might be causing this. Not a problem. I will restart it. I think it got closed. So out of 150 members, no, only some 5 to 8 members had cleared this particular code. Okay, it's bit kind of what to tell. It is slightly different, and it needs some more experience in Java to clear it. So I decided to make it as a video so that everyone will understand currently in QA automation what is the level of expectation they are looking. See, I understand there is a small delay in this video due to this Eclipse. So what you do now, you slightly fast forward it in this region. Huh? Okay. So find the longest word, reverse it, and append it. Okay, simple. So just I'm going to use a string array. Okay, to split the sentence. First of all, currently it is a sentence. Now I am trying to split it into words. Okay, I got split it in this one, and now I am trying to find out the length of this particular string array. Okay, so now by using for loop, let me take word one by word. One by one word I need to take it. So first I had splitted the sentence into words. Now I am taking one by one word and I will find the length of each word. Okay. Now let me try to find the length of each word. Okay. And then let me say this in the array list. Okay, so only we can sort it and find out what is the highest length word. Simple. So usually always I will be giving the names in a very meaningful format, uh, so that it will be easy for you to debug the code whenever. Because in first attempt itself and all, this kind of slightly complex code, no, it won't give results. So now I'm using collections to sort this particular file list. Okay, so once I sorted, first let us try to run this till this Okay, this is the length we got. You know why I am running this code at this point itself? No, so then only I can be able to understand whether the smallest value is coming at the first or the longest value is coming. Okay, yeah, it is sorting in ascending order only. Okay, so int space max underscore length is equal to first we need to find the index, right? So this will be the max index. So int space max value is equal to array list length. So this is the array list, and I am passing the index value inside this. Simple. Okay. I think there is something wrong. I think the braces which I have used, no, that might be wrong. No, no, no. Okay, sorry. So it will be get. So I am finding which value is the max value. Okay, so I am finding which value is the max value. Next, I need to find the maximum length word using this, right? So how to do this is, so using this value 10, on what index position it is. If I find this index position of this, half of the job is over. Okay, we will try to do that. Let me iterate through the array list. So I am iterating to the array list. Now the array list, no, this array list is a sorted array list. So what I am doing is, if this particular value equal to max value, see what I am doing is, I am just initializing a for loop and iterating from 0 to the length of the array. The length of the array will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. Okay, so till 7 it will be iterating. Okay. Simple. So it will be iterating, and I have the maximum value will be the 10. So I am checking when the value is equal to max value, I will be taking the index. Okay, so in this space max, or what I will put is longest word index position. Okay, let me declare this one. So this value will be equal to I. I is nothing but will be our index position. Okay, it's simple. So longest word index position. See, I will show you in real time as well. The longest word index position should be 0 1 2. That's all. This should be the longest word index position. It should be only 6 only. Okay, it had taken the space and not an issue. So index position of the longest length word will be the 0 1 2. Let's see what it is printing. Not an issue. I think I need to initialize this variable. Okay, let it be 0. Okay. Now if I find the index, then the longest word will be nothing but, we have array of sentence, right? Array of sentence of longest length position. Simple. Okay, so let's try to run it. Let's see how it is taking. I think there is something wrong. Array list is taking in this way. I think this space is creating some issues. So, this initially, there should not be any space, but at the last there should be one space should be there. Then only it will be getting splitted. Otherwise, this last word will not be considered inside the string array. Okay, now let us check again. I don't know why. What issue? Let us debug this. There is some issue. The word called as interested, no, that only it need to come. No problem. We will debug this. Even in the first round of technical round also, like they was doing the same, but there one more difficulties is even the debug option will not work. They had given something, it is something equivalent to a online Java compiler. Purposefully they are given that way. And actually that is what we know, right? The Indian market, how they will scrutinize. That's the problem. Okay, so the first word should be I, and this length 1. Okay, next word should be am, I am. So So here it should be 2. Good. Third word should be, I think, that interested. This is what having 10. Okay, this also finally added. Next is like okay, 2 again 2. This one is like find. I think this one is defects. Defect should be something 5, right? Okay, 7. Okay, let it be. So now if we print this, okay, 1 to 10 to 4 7. Let us compare 1, 2, 10, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, fine. Okay, after sorting it, okay, this is what. Okay, so the max index should be, max value should be 10 only. Okay, and the longest position. Okay, first string will take the first value. Okay, okay. See, the problem is we are trying to compare it with the same array list. Okay, because this array list is a sorted one, but we need a original array list. So what we need to do, that's important. Okay. Okay, so before sorting it, we need to take one copy of it. Before sorting it, we need to take one copy. Array list integer original array list, or we will take original index array list lengths. Okay, is equal to new array list. It's nothing but we will take a copy of this. Okay. So now we have original array list. Okay, so what we need to do is from original array list we need to iterate the elements. Now we will get the correct one. See, this code is bit, it is slightly complex only. Okay, but if you under I'm trying to make everyone understand this. Okay, so here no array list length we got, sorted arrays we got, max value is 10. So longest value position is 0, 1, 2. Correct. Interested. So the longest word is interested. Okay, so half of the coding we completed. Okay, we finally find the longest word. Okay, so now we need to reverse this. Okay, see, using for loop and all we can reverse. Okay, but see, already this code is a lengthy. Okay, so we will use some default functions to reverse it, to make it easier. We don't, because they will give only 30 minutes time there. 30 maximum 40 minutes or 42 minutes. That's all. So that's a problem. Can we pass our string here only? Okay, sp dot reverse string space reverse to longest word is equal to sp dot to string. Yeah, finally. So finally we need to get the reversed longest word. After this, using the index position, we need to append. Okay, we got the reversed longest word. Now we need to append it there. Again, one for loop is needed. Okay, let us take word one by one again. String space word is equal to array underscore sentence. I think I have done something. Okay, yeah, now array of sentence I. Okay. Now let me see if logic. find out. I think even this for logic is needed or not needed. Okay, let it be. I think it is needed. So I'm trying to take one by one word. The word equal to the longest word, then array of I should be equal to the reversed longest word. Okay, fine. See, what I'm doing is I'm using a for loop and I'm taking word one by one word which is present in the array sentence. When the word is equal to the longest word, this interested longest word, then that particular word should be replaced with reversed longest word. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so now let us see how it looks. We cannot directly print the sentence array, that I think we all know. So I am printing it through. So I am trying to convert this particular sentence array into the array list so that without using a for loop I can directly print it. Okay, so I'm trying to reduce the code. See, already it is going lot of lines. Okay, I am, instead of interested, we got this. I think we got the output, that's all. So now just simply we need to declare a for loop and we need to print it as a sentence. That is not a big deal. So string space word is equal to array underscore sentence. Not what sentence. You can take final, right? Which is the array. Final dot get I. Okay. So let us declare string space output is equal to one empty brace. So now output is equal to output plus word plus. See, this is important. During my fresher days, I will miss this. See, if we give this one, then only after each word we will get one space. Else, the entire sentence will be getting printed without space. It will be meaningless. Okay. So I think now we need to get this output. Let's see. My laptop is a bit slow. Please bear with me. Okay, I think it's running in debug mode again. Okay, it should be run. Okay, finally we got the output. Yeah, so what I recommend is, if you are a fresher or like some 2 to 3 years experience, uh, try this code step by step. First try to get this output, then try to find the max value, then find the longest word. Like step by step you try to do. Okay, it is a bigger expectation. So this question I got, so for the Capgemini, for the years of experience between some 5 to 8 years of experience range. So for that they asked. So I'm around 8 years of experience now. I'm getting near to that. Okay, so that's all. Just give it a try. Yeah, thank you. Hmm.